Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, today we are going to present our study on the influence between job motivation and job satisfaction among polytechnic academic staff. Before proceed with our presentation, let me introduce our group members. I'm Illyana binti Muhammad Idrus and my partner Ashikin lecturers from Tourism and Hospitality Department, Polytechnic Sultan Idris Shah, Sabak Bernam, Selangor. This is the outline that we'll go through with the presentation. Begin with an introduction and followed by objective of the study. In the third part, we will describe about conceptual framework and hypothesis. Next part is research methodology that has been used. And the following part, we will explain and share the result of the study. Finally, the conclusion of the presentation. Well, let's move on the first part. Many previous studies have identified that job satisfaction is one of the factors that contributed to the effectiveness and efficiencies of the organization. According to Ye 2018, in the context of higher education, academic staff play a major role in order to achieve a university's objective and performance. One of the factors that determine academic staff satisfaction is job motivation. Next is objective of the study, which to examine the influence between job motivation and job satisfaction of the polytechnic academic staff, especially in the Department of Tourism and Hospitality. Based on the framework, the independent variables are intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation, while the dependent variable is job satisfaction. This study proposed three hypotheses. Hypothesis 1, job motivation influences job satisfaction among polytechnic academic employees. Hypothesis 2, intrinsic motivation influences job satisfaction among polytechnic academic employees. And hypothesis 3, extrinsic motivation influences job satisfaction among polytechnic academic employees.
Next part is research methodology. This study utilized a quantitative approach with a survey method in order to collect data. A total of 108 respondents answered the questionnaire. Data were collected from the questionnaires completed by employees working in 4 polytechnics in Malaysia using survey methods. Table 1 provides the demographic profiles of the respondents. Based on the finding obtained, the Cronbach alpha coefficient of all variables were above 0.7, which indicated reliable. In this case, job motivation contributes significantly and positively towards the prediction of job satisfaction with the beta values of 0.663. Hence, hypothesis 1 is supported and showing that job motivation significantly and positively influences job satisfaction in the context of polytechnic employees. Results showed that intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation contributes significantly and positively towards the prediction of job satisfaction with the beta values of 0.178 and 0.552 respectively. Hence, hypothesis 1A and hypothesis 1B is supported. The purpose of this study was to examine the influence between job motivation, that including intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation toward job satisfaction among the staff of Department of Tourism and Hospitality at 4 polytechnics that offered these courses. This objective has been achieved and the results indicated that job motivation was significant and positively influences job satisfaction. This result also included the intrinsic motivation and and extrinsic motivation that indicated significant and positive influence on job satisfaction. This result suggested that when academic staff are fully motivated in terms of intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, they will be more satisfied with their jobs. Finally, we would like to summarize our presentation. In summary, the current study found that job motivation was significantly and positively influenced job satisfaction among Department of Tourism and Hospitality staff at these 4 polytechnics. In addition, the result also showed that intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation were significantly and positively influenced job satisfaction. This implies that enhancing job motivation in terms of intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation were critically important to improve the level of job satisfaction among the staff. Consequently, it will also improve the organization in a better way. That's all for our presentation. Thank you very much.